With your BIBO bar, you get to choose the amount of boiling hot, ice cold and ambient water you'd like to automatically dispense into your favorite cup every time with just one touch. Here's how you'd set this up. Please get your favorite glass and mug ready. Let's get started. The default water dispensing time is 10 seconds. To customize this time, please follow these steps. Touch the menu button on the BIBO bar screen and navigate to the quantity setting by touching the red cup button once. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Touch the menu button again to navigate into the quantity settings. You'll see icons on the top of your screen for boiling, chilled, and ambient or mixed water. To set the automatic dispensing quantity for boiling water, continue with these steps. For boiling water, place your preferred mug or thermal cup on the drip tray below the water outlet. Use the red cup button to navigate to the hot water setting if it is not already selected. Touch the white cup button once, and the water will now start dispensing. Once it reaches the preferred amount of water, touch the white cup button again. This will stop the dispensing. Then touch the menu button to save this setting. To set the automatic dispensing quantity for chilled water, follow these steps. Navigate to the chilled water setting using the red cup button. Touch the white cup button once and the water will now start dispensing. Once it reaches the preferred amount of water, touch the white cup button again. This will stop the dispensing. Then touch the menu button to save this setting. To set the automatic dispensing quantity for ambient water, follow these steps. Navigate to the ambient or mixed water setting using the red cup button. Touch the blue cup or white cup button to increase or decrease the milliliters of your ambient water mix. Once you're happy, select the menu button to save this setting. To test if this is correct, go back to the home screen by touching the return button twice. Then place your preferred glass, cup or mug under the water outlet and touch the ambient button once to dispense the set amount of milliliters. You've now set all your preferred quantities. Here's a useful thing to remember. Changes in location, season, temperature, and municipal water pressure all have an impact on the water flow rate and how it's dispensed from your BIBO bar. Therefore, your preset quantity measures are only an approximation. Oh, and one last thing. Please never leave your dispensing water unattended. Now, your favorite glass or mug is just that more extra special, don't you think? BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.